Hello, Abby here, everyone. I'm going to be teaching you guys about slant, half rhyme, and sight rhyme. First, the definitions. Slant rhyme is a rhyme in which the stressed syllables of ending consonants match, however the preceding vowel sounds do not match. Sight rhyme refers to words having the same spelling but different sounds. In such a case, the final syllables have the same spellings but are pronounced differently. Example would be cough and bow, love and move. These are examples of slant rhyme. This latest leisure equal lulls the beggar and his queen. Propitiate this democrat by summer's gracious main. And here we see the slight rhyme between queen and main. The vowels are not the same, but the last, they have a similar structure of the words, and the last consonants rhyme, slantly rhyme. The next one we have is, when I last looked on, the round green eyes and the long wavering bodies of the dark leopards of the moon, all the wild witches, those most noble ladies. And here we have on and moon as our slant rhyme. The n sound kind of rhymes, but the vowels are not the same. We have ah and oo. So there is your slight rhyme. Slant rhyme, not slight. Slant, slant, slant. Slant, half rhyme. Slant, half. Here we have sight rhyme examples. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. So, temperate and date, the ate at the end is spelled the same, so it looks like these two words should rhyme, however they do not when pronounced aloud. Example, temperate and date, they're different. The next one we have is Sonnet 35. All men make faults, and even I in this, authorizing thy trespass with compare, myself corrupting, salving thy amiss, excusing thy sins more than thy sins are. And here we see compare and are. The A-R-E at the end of compare and are spelled the exact same way, so they look as though they should rhyme, however, they do not rhyme when pronounced aloud. So the functions of the slant rhyme. Slant rhymes, or half rhymes, help a poet create an unusual range of words to give a variety of rhyming effects, particularly when they are used with other poetic devices and rhyming schemes. They help poets avoid using the typical sing-song chiming effects of full rhymes and give them creative freedom. Furthermore, half rhymes have provided a subtle discordant note, which does not give absolute harmony, that offers variation in tone while reading and creates good impact on the readers. When they are used with other poetic devices, they give shocking effects to the reader about the actual rhyme scheme. And sight rhyme examples or functions or analysis. I rhyme or sight rhyme can be a richly suggestive device as it juxtaposes appearance with reality, identity and difference, and this can support or contribute to the meaning of the poem. And it creates a feeling of symmetry without, again, like slant rhyme, sounding sing-songy. And how we remember them. Slant or half rhyme can be remembered simply by thinking the words that are supposed to rhyme only half, or kind of, or slantly rhyme. They slightly rhyme, but they do not completely. Sight rhyme is pretty self-explanatory in remembering it. The words look or they appear to our sight like they rhyme. However, when spoken aloud, they do not. Thank you. Hope you have a magnificent day.